Check anagram. Anagram is nothing but two strings will be given and the characters which are used in these two strings are the same. Just by changing the positions of the old string, a new string is formed. Then these type of strings are known as anagram. So let us write the code and dry run it. First, let us consider the first taking the prompt, enter two strings, enter two strings. A, let us consider A and B are the two strings. I am taking input dot split. If now I am traversing on the first string for I in uh, directly for character in A, if this character is not in B, then directly print not anagram and break, else print anagram. Here add the silent and listen anagram. Given problem statement, find the second largest element in a given array. Suppose a array 5, 3, 4, 7, 8 are given. First, then the output should be the second largest element, which is 7. So our approach will be just sort the given array 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and with the help of negative indexing just print the value of array of -2. Then we will get the second largest element. Let us write the code. Suppose array is A, then list of map of in comma input dot split. Before this, just write the prompt, enter array elements, then sort the array by using the sort function. Now print the value of -2 index. Run this code. Array elements I am entering 89, 77, 85, 23, 12. second largest element is 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Output is 8.